How to make money on YouTube, 7 effective strategies. Before this video starts, I want you to do something for me. Subscribe to make money, Kimball, so that I can help you make money in the future. Now get your pen and paper and let's jump into the video. Okay, ad revenue is the most obvious way to make money on YouTube, but it's not the only way, or to be honest, the best way. So you already know this video is not going to be about how easy it is to buy a Swiss watch with the ad revenue from your YouTube channel. Number 1, join the YouTube Partner Program. The YouTube Partner Program is how regular YouTubers get access to special features on the platform. You don't need to be a partner to make money on YouTube. Just setting up an AdSense account and getting views is enough to handle that, but being a partner makes it a lot easier. To join the program, you need a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months. Number 2, sell your own merch. Maybe you identify as a content creator first and entrepreneur second. Just remember that even Drake sells t-shirts. Alternately, you're an entrepreneur first and video creator second, which means you probably already have a product and you're designing your YouTube marketing strategy to sell it. Pro tip, you should have more ideas for merch than you can possibly stock. But make sure you engage your audience in the decision-making process. Poll them as to what they want. Number 3, create sponsored content. You don't have to be on Instagram to be an influencer. The advantage of the hashtag #SPONCon strategy is that you don't have to give YouTube a cut of your earnings. You negotiate directly with the brand and they pay you directly. No wonder it's a popular way for YouTubers to make money. Number 4, become an affiliate partner. If your YouTube audience is loyal and engaged, but not quite there yet headcount-wise, look for companies investing in affiliate marketing. YouTubers affiliated with businesses encourage their viewers to visit the brand's online store or specific product pages. They then get a percentage of sales made through their, you guessed it, FFI. Number 5, get your fans to pay you directly. This strategy for making money on YouTube includes a few different income streams, but they all have one thing in common. You have to make it easy for your fans to show their appreciation with their credit card. Number 6, use crowdfunding. YouTube Giving allows creators to support the charitable causes they care about. Eligible channels can fundraise for nonprofits by adding a donate button to their videos and live streams. Viewers can donate directly on the Video Watch page or in live chat. For recurring funding, Patreon is a top choice. Meanwhile, sites like GoFundMe or Kickstarter are best for one-off campaigns to get a new microphone, laptop, smartphone. If you're enjoying the videos, please subscribe for more videos in the future on ways to make money online. Number 7, the last strategy, license your content to the media. When a video goes viral, every news outlet wants to get their hands on a copy in order to replay it for their audience. Fortunately, established media companies are well aware that they need to pay for what they use. And voila, you've got yourself another way to make money on YouTube. So guys, that's how you can earn money on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe and also like the video and check out my other videos on how to make money online.